Hello everyone, my name is Jaspreet. I'm from Punjab. So today I will be talking to you about what things you can expect and what you should do before you arrive at Birmingham City University.
So I arrived at London Heathrow Airport. I was a bit late. I arrived 2 weeks late because of my visa issues. So then in the airport, you may get interviewed by the immigration officers. So the question which they asked me was, what's the reason why you arrived late? So then, thank God, I had my documents ready, and then I was able to show them that actually I'm a genuine student, international student who have come here to study in a UK university. You don't need to panic. Everything will be fine. Have your documents ready, and after the end of your interview, immigration officer will stamp your passport, and after that you're ready to go. Here are the few things which I would like to suggest you I find really useful to bring to the university. So number one, I will say photocopies of your passport or other original documents. I will definitely recommend you to bring the prescribed medicine. Then definitely bring your toiletries and personal items, example toothpaste, shampoo. You will definitely need laptop and bring a camera. Loads of my classmates they bring camera to capture the best moments in the UK. Bilingual dictionary. So as you know, British weather is very unpredictable, but the time when you will be arriving will be September. So please bring your warm clothes. So the first few weeks I had in UK, they were really interesting. I explored a lot of things. I had loads of challenges. The way systems work here, they're completely different from Punjab, the place where I'm from. So it was really interesting. And I think something which really helped me was being part of Birmingham City University Sikh Society. So after your arrival, I will definitely recommend you to get involved with Birmingham City University Students' Union. BCSU is behind the biggest events which are organised in the university. They've got several sports teams, societies and media groups. But especially for you, there are many international societies which will help you to feel at home when you arrive here at BCU. Birmingham City University has got a range of different events and activities specially designed to welcome you here in Birmingham. During the Welcome Week, which is organised by Birmingham City University Students' Union, there are various different daytimes and nighttime events. But I will strongly recommend you to attend the Welcome Fair, in which they will have all different societies and the sports teams together, and you will be able to sign up. But now looking back, I feel Birmingham City University for me is now a second home. And I feel if I go back to Punjab, I'll really miss everyone here and the whole community vibe. So I feel blessed to be part of this big BCU family. I hope this video has helped you to settle your nerves, and I can't wait to see you around Birmingham City University. For now, bye. And for September, hopefully I'll be able to say you hi. But that was too much.
That was good.